the stoppage and reversal of all construction on DAPL. We don't want just a rerouting of the pipeline. We want the entire project scrapped.
We're fighting for our future, right? This is an issue that affects everyone, not just Native people, not just people in North Dakota, right? It affects everyone.
Give up our lands to you, to all of us. We wanted to do that out of respect. And look what happened. The corporations took over.
What was sad there, Tolan? I saw people come in with hypothermia, like stuff like that. They were injured. Like they got pepper spray in their eyes and it was burning their skin.
I can hear my neighbors crying, I can't breathe. Now I'm in a struggle and I can't leave. Crying out the violence of the racist police. We ain't gonna stop till the people are free. No, we ain't gonna stop till the people are free.
Everybody in their loudest warrior cry. Mini Wichoni!
Mini
Mini Wichoni!
Mini Wichoni!
Water is life!
Water is life!
Water is life!
Water is life!
Green jobs now! Green jobs now! Green jobs now! Green jobs now!
Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Dakota Pipeline's got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Dakota Pipeline's got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Dakota Pipeline's got to go! The Native Americans are under attack! What do we do? Stand up, fight back! Native Americans are under attack! What do we do? Stand up, fight back! Native Americans under attack! What do we do? Stand up, fight back! Native land is under attack! What do we do? Stand up, fight back! ExxonMobil BP Shell, take your filth and go to hell! ExxonMobil BP Shell, take your filth and